Being a supplier to an automotive production plant requires speed and precision to keep up with the pace of just-in-time manufacturing. This is BLG Logistics in Vance, Alabama. The company handles automotive electrical systems for the nearby Mercedes-Benz assembly plant.
BLG is a logistics company that's here to support the automotive plant that's here in the Vance area. We sequence the multiple parts, multiple wire harnesses, and other components that comes with the wire harnesses.
BLG provides 3 separate wiring harnesses for each car produced at the plant. They cover the electrical connections needed for the engine, control console, and cabin areas. Because options differ on every car rolling down the assembly line, each wiring harness needs to be different to make the proper electrical connections to support those options. Therefore, each build is considered its own stock-keeping unit for inventory purposes. Keeping track of hundreds of thousands of specific harnesses each year can be daunting. That's why BLG installed this automated storage and retrieval system from materials handling systems provider Stoecklin Logistics. The ASRS sits at the heart of its operations to deliver the right harnesses at the right time to match the sequencing of cars being built at the plant.
Having something of this magnitude with sequencing wire harnesses, we felt that we need something that can be competitive, be smart, and be fast. So we chose this machine because it's proven to us how effective that it is.
Most of the harnesses are manufactured in Mexico. They are trucked north to Alabama and unloaded at the BLG facility. It is here that the 3 harness systems needed for each automotive assembly are married together for storage until that car is ready for production. Care is taken to record information on the components before placing them into these large wooden boxes for storage in the Stoecklin ASRS. Assist devices help with the heavier engine harnesses, as some of them weigh up to 70 pounds. The harnesses are next conveyed to the ASRS for storage. The tailor-made solution was designed around a mini-load system consisting of 3 238-foot-long aisles, with a crane operating in each aisle. Carriers and storage locations were modified to accept the oversized boxes that each measure 73 by 32 by 18 inches. Upon pickup, the crane transports the box to a storage location. Most harnesses are initially stored in upper and distant locations. Throughout the day, the cranes reshuffle the harnesses to move those needed sooner to positions lower in the system and closer to the output stations. This reduces the time needed for retrieval. The system was also designed with redundancy. The interior racking only contains 1 row of wire harnesses between the 2 crane aisles. This is so that the middle crane in aisle 2 can retrieve products from the interior racks of aisles 1 and 3. This assures that product can be reached even when a crane is down for maintenance. The system typically stores about 2 to 3 days of inventory.
So we do about 1,200 a day harnesses to the customer, and we store about 2,000 on hand. And this machine right here has the capacity to store about 3,400. So we have a lot of material on hand. So this helps us move quickly and swiftly, and most efficiently. We get the material inside the machine and it comes out efficiently, and we get to sequence it most efficiently as possible and get it to the customer without any mistakes or mishaps.
Orders are received throughout the day from the automotive plant. The correct harnesses must be retrieved from the ASRS and delivered to the system's output stations. The Stoecklin control system assures that they are properly sequenced.
We can't afford errors at the customer. We can't afford mis-sequences, and the machine makes sure everything comes out perfectly fine.
The entire operation has to be performed within a very short window, a time frame that would be nearly impossible to meet without the automation.
Once an order has been received, and we have about 45 minutes from the time that the order has come down the line to be sequenced, picked, verified, and actually to be shipped out on the truck.
The harnesses are then conveyed to loading stations, where workers verify that the right harnesses have been selected.
The sequencing scanner we use, it pretty much tells you what location, where it goes, and then once you finish, it'll close it out and send you on to the next one. So it just pretty much just, gives you and tells you how to do and what to do. It's not hard, it's easy. The machine makes it easy, sufficient.
The harnesses are loaded into these racks using an assist device. Put-to light systems assure that they are deposited into the correct positions, with each rack holding 6 harness assemblies. Lift trucks then gather the racks for loading onto delivery trucks. It's a short 2-minute drive to the assembly plant, where they will be sequenced line-side. The ASRS and the supporting automation and software assures that BLG has the accuracy and speed that the company needs to properly serve the Mercedes-Benz plant.
Makes my job easy. It gets everything in there, it comes out automated in order. My people, it's easy to do their job. All they gotta do is follow the light, follow the instructions. It makes it very simple. A child can do it.